Hello, I say it's good afternoon. Today we're gonna review this smart deadbolt. I like the last one, so we'll put this in the front door, so it'll be a deadbolt, so it's more secure. The last one I put is just the handle for the garage, and it's still sealed, so let's unbox it. Here we go. See the inside. There we go. Inside we have this main body. Ooh. So you have this. That's neat because this one has the different steps saying this is step 2, so make it easier. And here's the the inside where you lock it. You see, step 4. That's where you says step 4. That's where you plug it in. And this is well, we'll find out what's that for. I think this is to lock it. You could lock it manually. Here's the plate, goes it, and here's the rubber. Make sure we put it like this before. See, step 3, make it easier. And inside you got the hardware. Oh, this comes with a key. No, you got 3 keys. Got 3 keys. Card. And here's the company. B-band. I bet the other card I have with program here too. Okay. Here's the Deadbolt Lock. Okay, and this is have to replace it because this one has different kind. And it says up. Make sure you put it up. And I think you can turn this around, makes it longer. See, you just make it shorter, but make sure this says up. Okay. And then we have the screw. Oh, there we go. Step 1. Step 3, step 5. I think there's more here. Oh. There's for the Deadbolt Strike plate. Okay, doke. And we'll go downstairs and we'll install it. Okay, let me turn this off for now. All right. Alright, this is the front door. I have this one. We have to replace the deadbolt. Okay, I'm just gonna remove this tooth, but I'm just gonna make it really quick. That's a different topic. First thing we need to put is the Deadbolt Strike. Make sure it says up. Okay, and just put in the old. Okay, mine, it's all the way. If yours is longer, turn this around. See, make sure that's up. But for me, see, hits it has that space, so it should be the smallest one. So I'll turn it and make sure it's up. Okay. Let's see. Well, good, that thing. I didn't have to board it. And I like the strike plate. It's a solid. It's not hollow. Okay. Let's put the screw. There we go. Let's see. There we go. Those are tight. And I put just a simple handle. It's a deadbolt. Okay. Now we need to put the outside body. Okay. Make sure you have the rubber, so protect it from element. So mine has I have a storm door, so and under the front patio, so I don't worry that much, but I still gonna put it. Goes underneath. Okay. Then try to. There we go. That's easy. It's not that straight. We'll straighten it later when we tighten it. It's a little bit crooked. Step 3. We're already there. Simple. Let's see, is this like this? There we go. Make sure the says step 3. Make sure the step 3 is facing towards you, because they have this to get inside there. Don't put it like that. It's gonna be. Got it inverted again. Where's those rubber tab? There they go. They go in. There we go. Rubber tab. Okay. This one goes underneath here. There we go. And that's it. Then we gotta put those 3 screws. And the best thing, it says step 3. Okay. Oh. Oops. Okay. It's easy. You're gonna use your finger first so I could find those holes, because try just to go straight. Okay. And once they're all in, you could use your screwdriver, or I'll just use my. There we go. Make it faster. We'll make sure this is straight. There we go. It's a little bit crooked. There we go. Height and tighten. Now we could put the body. Okay? The back one. There's 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Before we do that, let's plug it in. There we go. Then let's align that. screw this up so that when that lock, unlock. Now we'll get the last screw where it says step 5. Let me get it, it's about to fall. There we go, that's tight. Let's try to lock it. There we go. Now we're gonna get some batteries, chargeable. I should have charged them earlier to top them up, but should have recharged and topped them up, but we could, it's easy. Don't have to screw it, so we'll charge them later. Okay, double A. You have to provide your own. It doesn't come with it. There we go. All set. And just plug it in. Oh, hold on.
Lock. Unlock.
Uh-oh, it's the opposite.
Lock.
Lock. I think we have to. The inside, there's a right and left. We have to do it. Let me do that now. That's why it's doing that.
Unlock.
Unlock, it's open.
Unlock. Lock.
Yep. So that's the other one. You have to designate left or right. Okay, we have to remove the battery. 1. And I could start charging this. 2. Oops. It's always a hitch. Okay. In here, there's supposedly left or right. See, it's kind of hard to see. Let me get it closer. There's like a tab there. See, it says left, right. We have to switch that to right. There. See that black tab? Now it's on right. Let's try this again. I thought it was on the right. It's just too small to see, but now it's in the right side. Go. It's not, at least it's only 3 screws to remove this tab. Nice and tight. Let's put back the batteries. Put back the battery. There we go, that's it. Unlock. Lock. There we go. Try it again. Make sure this is more tight, because it has to be freely. If it's not freely, it'll bind. There you go. There we go. It works good. Now we're gonna program it. Okay. Let's see. Now we're gonna program it. We're gonna remove the. Ooh. This one, you could twist it. Okay, and pull it out, and you'll reveal you the key. And the key. It's typed like sledge. There you go. Put it in. Lock. Unlock. There we go. This one has a yep. See? You have some grooves. You put them here. Then twist it. There you go. Now we have to get my phone. Well, already have the TT lock on mine. So if you don't have it, you have to download TT lock. There you go, TT lock. Make an account with them. There we go. And this is my other one in the garage. But this one we have to add a lock. Your this 3 line here. It's like a menu. Add a lock. Let's just put parking, remote control, bicycle lock, lock cylinder, safe lock, door lock, padlock. I'll just put all locks.
Please add a Bluetooth administrator.
Okay. There's the one. M515. Add.
Adding administrator successful.
There you go. We'll change the name. So it'll be, let's say, Sam's front door lock. Front door. There we go. Sam's front door. Says okay. There he goes. See, 40% battery. I gotta charge those. That's the garage one. So we'll press that one. Let's say fingerprint. Add fingerprint. Add fingerprint. Permanent. Now we have to put Sam again. See, you could name the person, so their fingerprint, so you know who's using it. Next. That's why I like it. And now start. This one is on top here. Okay.
Operation failed.
Up, start. You're required to place your finger.
Operation failed.
It's not. Oh, wait.
Please press your finger on the sensor.
Okay.
Please press
1,
again.
4 times.
Please
2,
press again. Please
3,
press again.
4.
It's successful.
Okay. Let's lock it.
Unlock.
Unlock. The way it is, you could set an auto lock to your TT. So you just go to your setting, and then there's an auto lock. You could turn this on, and then you choose the second. Okay. I already did that. So when you unlock it,
Unlock.
it's up to you if you want 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or 30 seconds. I choose just 10 seconds. So okay, auto lock itself. Okay, doke. I'm gonna program a passcode. Already did.
Unlock.
See? Or a card. So that's about it. It's pretty easy and looks solid. Especially this is a solid brass. It's not a hollow, so that's a plus.
Unlock.
There you go. And then just close it. After 10 seconds,
Lock.
lock itself. All right, that's about it. Okay, bye.